Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is upload the SVG file that I just saved to the desktop. And I'm just going to click Upload, Browse, and double click on the SVG and then click Upload. Then select the project in Cricut Design Space, click Add to Canvas. I'm going to go ahead and click Ungroup, and I'm going to click on these lines here and change that operation from cut to score. And then I'm going to select the project and click Attach. So this will be the bow, and I'm going to change this to, I'm going to make it white, but I'm actually going to do polka dots. And then the rest of it is going to be gold. So let's go ahead and click here and let's click on that color. We'll click here, change this to gold and gold. We're going to click Make It on the mat, Continue. Let's hit Continue. And the first piece is a heavy cardstock. So let's click Browse All Material. Okay, so this is a really heavy cardstock that I'm using, and it's a pattern. So I'm going to click this one, Done. And let's go ahead and load the mat. This is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and tape all 4 corners. So I'm going to load the mat onto the Cricut and press the flashing arrows. And then we're going to press the flashing button and go ahead and take the tape off and turn the mat upside down. And this is what we have. Just printing the first one, Browse All Materials. And the next thing I'm going to use is a foil poster board. So it just happens to be right here. And let's click Done. And we're going to go ahead and load the mat. And this one is going to need a double scoring wheel. If you just use regular cardstock, you'll just need a regular scoring, which is the 01. But since this cardstock is thicker, I have to use a double scoring. Okay, I loaded the mat and I put in the double scoring tool, which is 02. We're going to press the flashing button and then the Cricut button. I have this part that has this part here, like the little cut in it. I'm going to take this part and place it like this, and I'm going to place glue here and then just attach it that way. So let's go ahead and then I'm going to place this up and attach it. So this is done, and actually I'm going to place a little bit of glue right here let me make sure you can see. I'm going to place a little bit of glue right here just so that part's closed. Then the next thing we're going to do is place this up like this. Okay, so now we have this side. Now we have to do the exact same thing to the other side. We are going to start with placing glue here and attaching it. I just placed it right there, and now I'm just going to close it. And you line it up on the bottom, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to place glue here and then fold it. And you'll want to line it up again on the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to use the strap and I'm going to just glue it inside just like this. And I'm going to place some glue like right here, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, whatever size strap you're looking for. And then I'm just going to place it in here and press it against here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we're just going to set this aside. And we still have these pieces left. So we're going to take this, which is the bow, and turn it this way. And I'm going to take just a popsicle stick. You can use a pencil, a weeder, whatever, and just give it a little bit of depth, like this. Turn it this way, kind of do the same thing. Just add like a little curve to it. Okay, and then I'm going to place this here and glue it, and then place this here and glue it. So it'll be just like that. So this is what we have so far. And next we are going to take this bow, and it's going to go right here, but we're going to use this piece that came with it. So we're going to place this in here, just like that, and then attach the bow, and then go ahead. I'm going to do this first just to kind of make sure that this is in there. Okay, so it's going to be just like this. So it looks like this on the back, and it's going to be like this. Okay. So you go ahead and add the bow, and then you just stick that through here. So now it looks like this. We're going to turn it over, and we're going to glue this down. Okay, so I'm just going to place a dot. Actually, I'll put a dot here, and then this, and then that way. Okay, you just need a little dot. I'm going to do this part and hold it down. Okay, so you have these two pieces left. You have this, and you have the purse. And we're gonna take, I'm gonna get a measuring tape and just kind of measure about 3/4, and it doesn't have to be exact. So I'm gonna do about right here, and I'm just gonna kind of make a little mark just right there. Okay, and you can actually do it on both sides as well. And if it's easier, you can do the mark first before you do the bow. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and slide it in here, and then the mark that you made, like right there, is kind of your measurement as to where to stop. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece in there. So let's go ahead, and that'll be really tricky. So let's do it this way, okay? So I'm having this. I haven't moved it as far as where it is on the other side, but I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue here, and then flip it over, kind of like a teeter-totter. So let's go ahead and apply some glue, and then quickly take this and bend it over just like that. I just took fastener dots, these, which is just the case, but they're these, and I'm going to place one on here and then attach it here. So here, we're going to place this right in here. I'm going to take this part off, and I'm going to fold it here. Okay, so the last part is using these. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to place it like right here, just to make sure that I have it lined up correctly. So I'm going to have it like this. Let's see. So just line it up to like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some glue back here, and then line it up. And you can do this in any step. If you want to do this first, you can. I mean, as far as when you do the bow. I just chose to do it this way, just kind of make sure it looked okay and it was lined up. Isn't this so precious? It's so, so cute and dainty. And you can go ahead and you can open it and put something in there. You can put chocolate, tissue paper, gift card. It's just a really creative idea to share a gift. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today, and if you think this channel is for you, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below and you'll get all my notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.